Hello guys, welcome back from Malaysia. Today we're back on another video and yeah, we're gonna go around.
You know when you just know someone, you don't know what you're talking about. How have you got She failed upwards and got a promotion. So
yeah, that's when they don't know what to do. And if you don't do something, you're going to...
All right, we're gonna go to the max height and do a 360 photo. We're near King's Cross. We're gonna do a 360 photo here. Go back to video mode. Gonna get a tour of this area. We're near the we're on the Grand Union Canal. So we're gonna go to the other side of the canal now. So as you can see, we're gonna go that way.
Oh, like the girl next to me was picture. I guess one of his guy friends swiped up on a picture of him with a bunch of women. And to be fair, it was like someone's birthday party, but it was like he was the only fucking guy.
I feel like you was having dinner or partying or drinking in Central King's Cross. You're literally just walking. Yeah.
So let's go straight down and explore this area. So we're near Camden, as you can see.
Il me semble que c'est un fan, oui, parce qu'il m'a donné son prénom.
It's a nice shot of this area down here. We're near Camden Road. We can go further if we like as well. So we're going to go in a straight line.
Wait, when I said it, she was like, oh, let me fucking... I was like, oh, you're one of us. One of us. She was meant to be at my birthday.
So we're near Camden Town actually. Right, we're going to turn back now. Look at this view.
Is that a drone, brother?
Yes.
Where's that up there?
Yep.
Where is it?
Up there.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Oh, you'd never be able to see it.
Oh my God.
What are you filming?
Just filming a YouTube video.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
How long will this last?
Like 20 minutes. Then it will land. It's down there. Up right there. You can see a dot. You can see a dot in there.
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Oh, it says it, yeah.
Yeah. It's good.
Yes.
God bless you, yeah.
See it. All right, let's go this way now. We're gonna get a view of these cranes.
And it would be about 100 people for the second ceremony.
I'm gonna go down here, but look, I wanna go towards it a little bit. Look at that, look at a nice shot of these cranes. All right. Should we go straight down here? Let's get a tour down here. main part, as you can see. Thing is, if I go down there, I'll lose range. So I'm gonna come back.
I guess gender studies and
Got a good idea. Get a low down shot of the canal.
No, because I heard. I was at Subo and I heard.
and patience.
Yeah, man, go be on high, man. Yeah, man. Bro.
So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna go a little bit down. I'm gonna get a nice shot of the area so I can see it properly. I'm gonna come down in near the canal. I'm gonna get a nice shot. All right. Let's check this out. It's gonna be insane. That is so sick. What a sick canal shot. That is actually insane. I'm going to come back. That is so sick. Make sure we don't hit anything, obviously. I'm going to go up. I keep going up so we don't hit the seagulls. I want to walk towards the drone so that we can get a better sight of the main part of St. Pancras. Let's get a view down here first and stay with the drone. What a nice view. Now you can get more range of the drone. Yeah, this is a sick drone flight. I can slowly forward and get a slow shot.
So they've seen, like in France, in particular in Paris, a lot of people, they kind of like make their
Drone is right up here. Now we can get more range. I'm gonna go this way. Let's get a nice shot. I'm going to make sure we don't go behind that building. Wait, let's see where we are, just to make sure we don't go behind it. I know I'm not going to go behind it, but like, as you can see, I'm right here. we're gonna do, we're gonna go straight down. Actually, we'll go down here a little bit. See, we'll get a great view of the trains as well. Really nice shot. Go down the main area, but that's a bit far. Full send it. Stay here, get a static shot of this area of St. Pancras. We'll come back.
We have most of the population is Turkish, but we have our managers are Chinese. Plus, we have some engineers. They're from. And she said.
Right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this side of the area.
Walks in his dressing gown and tells people that they must leave right now. They are making the most of it.
We'll go to the main part of the area. See, as you can see, that's Gatholder Park. That's the main area. Stay around there for a bit. Let's go a little bit further. Sun's gone away a little bit. Can stay around there for a bit. Alright, let's come back. I'll show you where I am. I'm right here. I mean, I can go back a little bit further. Even here. We'll go a little bit ahead. Explore the main part of the area. Look at that, there's a lot.
So I wasn't clear that.
There's a lot going on down there, as you can see. Let's go, let's see what's below us as well. Look at that, that is insane. You know what, I want to get a shot of above that. can see it. I can't really see it from my small screen. In the final video, you'll be able to see it clearly. It's 4K, but I don't want to go down far because I might lose range. Let's get a closer shot of that. So you can see everything in this area. It's actually insane.
They are cheaper, they're just slower. They're slower off the mark. I mean, that's what's really. I feel like they're more dangerous.
Do you
Because I'm ready to like bits and buses.
Yeah.
And
Is there a car?
So you can see down here as well. Look at the sky garden in that area. All right, let's turn back. Go a little bit here as well. Well, there's nothing else I can get shots of now, so I think I'm just gonna land it in a little while. What, 20%? So we should have enough. Actually, you know what? Let's just land it. We won't get enough shots anyway. We're going to land it before that horrible beeping noise starts that we will dread. So the only problem with this area is that it's a really tight landing spot. So I have to be careful that the drone doesn't hit anything. I don't want to land in the canal as well because I'll make sure I can see it properly. Get a nice shot while we land. All right, so that was my drone flight. Amazing. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll speak to you in the next one.